Are you ready to build strength and improve your fitness through strength training? Strength training is essential for increasing muscle mass, enhancing physical performance, and boosting overall health. In this guide, we'll explore the basics of strength training, from understanding key concepts to practical tips for getting started. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to incorporate strength training into your fitness routine. And remember, we have a quick actionable cheat sheet at the end, so stick around. Key concepts. Let's dive into the key concepts of strength training. 1. Understanding strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves exercises that improve muscular strength and endurance. This can be done using free weights, resistance bands, machines, or even your own body weight. 2. Benefits of strength training. Strength training offers numerous benefits, including increased muscle mass, improved bone density, enhanced metabolism, and better joint health. It also aids in weight management and can boost your mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. 3. Types of strength workouts. There are various types of strength workouts, including weightlifting, body weight exercises, and resistance band workouts. Weightlifting can be further categorized into powerlifting, bodybuilding, and Olympic lifting, each with its specific focus and techniques. 4. Setting realistic goals. Set achievable goals to keep yourself motivated and track your progress. Start with small targets, such as completing a certain number of reps or lifting a specific weight, and gradually increase as your strength improves. The impact on you. Incorporating strength training into your routine can significantly impact your life, both emotionally and practically. 1. Emotional benefits. Strength training can boost your self-esteem and confidence as you see improvements in your physical abilities. The release of endorphins during exercise also helps reduce stress and improve your overall mood. 2. Practical benefits. Regular strength training improves muscle strength, making everyday tasks easier. It also enhances athletic performance and reduces the risk of injuries by strengthening muscles, ligaments, and tendons. 3. Real-life scenarios. Consider Jane, who started strength training to improve her overall fitness. Within a few months, she noticed increased muscle tone and strength, making daily activities like carrying groceries easier. Or think of Tom, who used strength training to enhance his athletic performance, leading to better results in his sports activities. These real-life examples illustrate the practical benefits of strength training. Practical tips and actionable advice. Here are some practical tips to help you get started with strength training. Tip 1. Start with proper form. Focus on learning the correct form for each exercise to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Consider working with a trainer or using instructional videos. Tip 2. Begin with light weights. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the weight as your strength improves. This helps your muscles adapt and reduces the risk of injury. Tip 3. Create a balanced routine. Include exercises that target all major muscle groups, such as legs, back, chest, shoulders, and arms. A balanced routine ensures overall strength and prevents muscle imbalances. Tip 4. Allow time for recovery. Give your muscles time to recover by scheduling rest days between workouts. This helps prevent overtraining and promotes muscle growth. Tip 5. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drink plenty of water and consume a balanced diet rich in protein to support muscle repair and growth. Techniques and habits. Incorporating these techniques and habits can enhance your strength training routine. Technique 1. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight, reps, or sets over time to continually challenge your muscles and promote growth. Technique 2. Compound exercises. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These exercises are highly effective for building overall strength. Technique 3. Mind-muscle connection. Concentrate on the muscles you're working during each exercise. This enhances muscle activation and ensures you're performing the movements correctly. Habit 1. Consistency over intensity. Focus on maintaining a regular workout schedule rather than pushing for high intensity every session. Consistency is key to long-term strength gains. Habit 2. Track your progress. Use a fitness journal or app to record your workouts and monitor your progress. Tracking can help you see improvements over time and stay motivated. Habit 3. Rest and recovery. Prioritize rest and recovery to allow your muscles to heal and grow. Incorporate stretching, foam rolling, and adequate sleep into your routine. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Start with learning proper form for each exercise. Tip 2. Begin with lighter weights and increase gradually. Tip 3. Create a balanced routine targeting all major muscle groups. Tip 4. Allow time for muscle recovery between workouts. Tip 5. Stay hydrated and maintain a protein-rich diet. Tip 6. Gradually increase weight, reps, or sets over time. Progressive overload. Tip 7. Focus on compound exercises like squats and deadlifts. Tip 8. Concentrate on the muscles you're working, mind-muscle connection. Tip 9. Maintain a consistent workout schedule. Tip 10. Track your progress to stay motivated. Tip 11. Prioritize rest and recovery with stretching and adequate sleep. Conclusion. Strength training basics. Summarizing what we've discussed, incorporating strength training into your fitness routine can significantly enhance your physical abilities and overall health. Remember to focus on proper form, start with lighter weights, and create a balanced routine. Strength training offers numerous emotional and practical benefits, making it a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.